Vendola, Mati, Mati.
Mati, baby. I'm American, and I'm married to this Haitian man right here. So, today, we're going to be talking about how much fun it is to learn a new language. So he's been teaching me Haitian Creole. And something that I love about learning another language is that a lot of people around us don't understand Haitian Creole. And so we can speak to each other, especially when we're out shopping and people are trying to sell us things that I don't think we need or we don't really want, and we're trying to like escape. Pavle sa, baby. And he's like, my pavle sa. And then we leave. And then he sometimes says,
Vendola, Mati, Mati.
and I'm like, Mati, baby. That's kind of us saying that like it's too pricey for us to get. So yeah, those are some things I love about being able to speak to each other in Haitian Creole in public, is that people don't understand what we're saying and we're able to communicate with each other, and it's very fun. It's like having our own language to speak to each other in.
Yeah, it's like having our own secret little language to chat and talk about, especially if you're trying to buy something.
It comes in really handy, surprisingly.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
See you next week.
Dale.